What's real estate in the East Bay like after a full year of the COVID-19 pandemic? Intense. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Let's start with the big picture. Inventory increased slightly in the East Bay compared with January and February thanks to more homes on the market along the 880 corridor in West Contra, Costa County and La Miranda. However, far fewer choices for buyers compared with last March. Significant increases in La Miranda and the Tri-Valley led the East Bay to another record-breaking month for sales prices. Demand for the larger suburban homes in Contra, Costa County and the Tri-Valley pushed sales prices up dramatically, while prices increased more modestly in the other regions. Lots of buyers made lots of offers and homes moved quickly. A home was on the market just 16 days during March compared with 22 days during February. Home sales increased compared with both February and with last March. Yes, some real estate activities are still restricted, but the increase in sales shows how transactions have been able to continue safely even during the pandemic. That's the big picture. Let's get local, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Oakland. 229 homes on the market was a 44% increase from last March, but fewer choices in Fremont and Hayward. Prices? Take Albany out of the picture and prices up everywhere. Hayward. Median sales price $875. That's up 18% from last March. Sales, no surprise. More sales compared with last March because we had a full month of real estate activity. We're going to West Contra Costa County next. Homes for sale, mixed. El Sobrante down 50%, Richmond 18% with modest increases in Pinole and San Pablo. Prices up everywhere. El Sobrante and Richmond both up 35%. Sales up everywhere. El Sobrante and San Pablo way up compared with last March. Next up, Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, fewer choices for buyers. Clayton and Concord both down more than 60%. Pleasant Hill, 9 homes on the market, down 55%. Prices, double-digit increases everywhere. Clayton, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek all in the $1 million range. Sales up from last March. Even with the $1.5 million median sales price, sales in Walnut Creek up 77%. Let's check out La Miranda. Homes for sale, mixed. Lafayette and Moraga both up, while Orinda down more than 50%. Prices, Lafayette and Moraga both approached $2 million. Sales up from last March. Lafayette more than doubles. Now we're in the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale. Alamo gained a single unit compared with last March, while far fewer homes on the market everywhere else, Dublin down more than 60%. Prices up more than 20% and more than $1 million everywhere. Alamo at $2.4 million and Livermore now in the $1 million range. Sales up everywhere. Livermore roars back from last March, 112 sold, up more than 80%. Finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Brentwood, 54 homes on the market, down almost 60%. Oakley, 14 for sale, down 70%. Prices up everywhere. Brentwood, 815, up 43%. Sales, as with the rest of the East Bay, up compared to last March. Brentwood, 103 sales, up 45%. Proposition 19 tax portability kicked in April 1st. Let's see what that does for inventory. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.